POV, the first POV of 2022. So I hope y'all have a good New Year's. Hope y'all have fun. Hope y'all staying safe for your New Year's. But you know what time it is. It's time to get this POV started. So if you're ready, before we get started, I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna need y'all to like this video, as well as I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, as well as if you're subscribed, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate it. But with that being said, let's actually get started. I already see our first photo right here. All right, we're gonna have to, it's a little too dark. All right. Let me see how that looks. Let me see. Looks pretty good. Hold on. Wait a minute. I like this. Get a little more in depth. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. Nice. Alright, have our shutter at 140% KVI, 1.8 at an f-stop, and ISO 800. Ooh, maybe I see a shot. Hold on. Let's see. I'm gonna shut it up for a second. Nice. We're already starting perfect. New year, new video. Oh my gosh, guys, come on, look at this, man. Come on. Hurry with this car, hurry up. Just bring our shutter down a little bit. There we go, like that. Ooh, look at that bokeh. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh. Oh my god. Already took like 4 bangers already. Ooh, hold on. I see a nice. Let's bring our shutter up a little bit. It's a lot of light here. Lower. Use this bar here for some depth. Cool. Whew. Oh my gosh, man. We are already starting this video off right already. That's getting warmed up, guys, getting warmed up here. Hold on, let me get this light here. Turn down, actually bring up our shutter a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I actually like that. see that was 1/400th of a second. ISO 800. Here's a cigarette slipper here. The wind. Oh, I got somebody here. Did I get that? I kind of did. Get this, I don't know. Awesome. I like these views here too. Oh, nice. Look at that bokeh. That's beautiful. Let's actually bring that up a bit. 150th. Yeah, there we go. That's in frame. It's in focus. Nice. Nice. Awesome. Oh man, I'm really curious. How was your guys' New Year's? Let me know down in the comments below what y'all do in your New Year's. Y'all got crazy, y'all got lit, what y'all do? Let me know down in the comments. Me? What I do? I slept. That's what I did. That is exactly what I did. No, but I was hanging with family, you know, just really relaxing, you know, because here in New York City right now, you know, I didn't want to go out, especially during the whole pandemic thing going on. So I kind of just want to be on the safe side and just stay in, be safe. Pretty much it. Hope you guys are staying safe during this whole crazy time that we're living in at the moment. Like, it's incredible of how, like, just the growth of this channel, how far it's been going. I'm truly thankful for you guys. Like, I don't deserve it. I really don't deserve it, but all the comments I've been hearing, the likes, you know, all the questions you guys ask me, the feedback, everything, you know, positive, negative, I truly do love it. I really do love it. Thank you guys so much. Hold on, let me get up here real quick. Let me see. Let's bring let's get our ISO back to 800. Yeah, I like that. Let's step back a little bit. Oh, that's a nice shot. I love that. Hold on, let's focus on that. Yeah. Let's get that centered. Yeah, right there. Is that good? Let me see. Yeah, it's good. Okay, cool. I am looking forward to that. Ooh, let's get some moving lines here. We'll do better. We can do better than that. Hold on. Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's get low. Let's get absolute. Oh my gosh. I'll get 2 actually. There. Oh my god, look at the bokeh. It's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Oh, that's so beautiful. Yeah, let's get that. Oh, let me see how that looks. Yeah, the first one was better. Oh man, that's awesome. Oh, that is awesome. Ooh. All right. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Man, this is a new year, guys. I am so excited of where this channel's gonna go. I'm still trying to figure the things out, what I want to do with the channel. You know, I want to do more than just POV, so I have been hearing your requests to do more tutorials through Lightroom. That will be coming soon, I promise. But I'm truly excited for this channel and where it's gonna go, in the direction that it's headed. So if you guys are new, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And also, if you like this video, so other people can see it who could also like this video. But with that being said, guys, I truly love you guys. I appreciate all of you, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.